the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 24 from verse 13 to verse 35. Jesus make two of him follower them see him. The same day, two of Jesus follower them did go to one district named Emmaus, about 7 miles from Jerusalem. Them did a chat about everything what. Same time them a chat and all a argue with them one another. Jesus come up and start walk with them, but then couldn't pick up say him. Jesus asked them say, what not talk about? Them top walk, them face sad. The one named Cleopas said to Jesus say, you must see the uncle somebody will come in at Jerusalem when you know about the sitting them what happened them last couple of days. Jesus asked them, what kind of sitting? Them said to him say, about Jesus from Nazareth. Him did say and do some powerful sitting, you see, where show all the people them say him a one of God prophet them. The head priest them and we ruler them and him over so them could have kill him and them nail him up on one cross. But we did a hope say him a did the one for free Israel. Now 3 days since all of this happened. But not only that, some of the women them will follow Jesus like we, shock we. Them go to the tomb early this morning, but they don't find the body. Then come tell we say, they see angel, we tell them say Jesus alive. Some of the man them go and find the tomb open and empty just like how the woman them did say. Jesus said to them say, oh no fool so. Who no heart so tough. Who no want to believe all of what the prophet them say. Who no know say the Christ have to suffer them sitting there before God take him up in heaven and honor him. Jesus explained to them all of the sitting there where they do write down about him. From when Moses did say to all of what the other prophet them did say. When them reach near the district where them a go, Jesus go and like say him did a go further, but them beg him. Look, the day almost done. And night a come. So turn with we. So Jesus stand with them. Him sit down at the table with them. Jesus take bread, give thanks, broke it, and give them. Then them pick up say, Jesus are the man them did a talk to. But same time, perhaps him disappear. Them ask them one another, when they feel sitting up bubbling in our heart when him did a chat with we on the road and I explain to we what God would say. Them get up and go back to Jerusalem same time and then find the 11 and them where they gather with them and say, true, the Lord come back alive and make Simon see him. Then them tell them what happened on the road to Emmaus and how when Jesus had broke the bread give them pick up say him. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God